Hello everyone, this is Amit and welcome to our channel Study with Amit. So today I am here with 10 tips which you should follow in November and get your best and get above 90 plus, as you have seen in the title of this video, that today we'll talk about how to get, means while studying in November, how to get good marks. And from now you have to see that yes, you have started, so you will follow it. Following is one of the important thing. So हमारे वीडियो के साथ बने रहें. So let's start with our video. So first you can see here that here it is written November to exam and exam to 90 plus. So if you want to achieve this, then you should follow these 10 tips as I have said in the title of this video. You have seen also. So let's start with our video. So for this, we have to follow these all. So let's start with our first point. So first, what we have to see the syllabus. You can see here syllabus. Syllabus is one of the important thing, as we have to know that yes, this is our syllabus, and from means at this point you are at the point that you should know the thing which is going to come in your exams. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि आपके एग्जाम्स में क्या आने वाला है. So that's why the syllabus is very important to know the basic knowledge. Means yes, these all things will come. So now you have to do selective study. So smart work, that we call smart work. So that you have to do. So syllabus, first of all, syllabus is very important. After this, go through. Means you have to go through the chapters. The syllabus means what the chapters are there and what we have to do in which chapter. Means we should know that in physics, if you are studying physics, then you should know that आपको पता होना चाहिए कि light, properties of light, V is equal to F lambda, all the things, all the formulas you should remember, and this is very important. Our next point is this one, important questions. Important questions, yes. If you will see in your book, there are some questions which are written from before only. It is written that yes, these questions are important, and some of the questions are said, means our teacher says that yes, these questions can come, these are very important. So that all things we should see at this point. Our third point is regarding this only. Next, moving to our next point, types of questions. Means we have to see that which type of questions are going to come. What we say, match the following, fill in the blanks, name the following, and all the things, means MCQs, short answers, long answer, pattern of the question paper, and all the things. So this is type of question. This is one of the important point. If you are here till, means if you have seen the video till here, then you will know the important books which you need to follow if you want to get your 90% in your exams. So the books which you should follow now are the books of So you have seen here that yes, the first book which I will recommend is Together With, which is very commonly known to students, as this helps us very much, as the important questions which are there from the, means from chapters only, it is present in this book. It is present in this book. So we should follow Together With and Oswald for 10 years. Or yes, in this also few questions are there. So both this I will recommend these two books for your boards. So now our 5 points are over. Moving to our next 5, we have here timetable. Timetable is one of the important thing. As you have seen here that books, all the things, important questions. So you should make one timetable from now, as half of the November is gone, so you should make a timetable, and if you follow it, our next point is regarding that only, that you should be regular. Regularity is one of the important thing. Regularity, if you follow any timetable, so you should be regular too at the same time. So रेगुलर जरूरी है रेगुलर रहना हमारे स्टडीज में सो दैट्स द रीजन दीज टू पॉइंट्स आर हियर आफ्टर दिस द रेगुलरिटी आई सेड सो आवर एट्थ पॉइंट इज स्पेसिमेन पेपर now specimen paper you will say where I will find I have said in our previous video also that you will find it on the website of your means from which institution your school is affiliated, it is ICSE, CBSE or state boards, then you will find in that only the site for ICSE students is cisce.org. You will find www.cisce.org. This is the website of ICSE Council. So you can go and check in the specimen paper section. Then you will find there the specimen paper for 2021 students. So specimen papers are very important to practice, as you know that the questions present in specimen paper shows the pattern of the question papers, shows the clear pattern of the question papers which are going to come in your board exams. So that is also very necessary to solve the specimen paper, and by solving this, by seeing and analyzing this, you will know that yes, the pattern of the question paper are like this, and the syllabus is also reduced in 2021. So you will know that yes, questions are coming from these parts only. So now you should know, by seeing this you will know that yes, the question is coming from this part, so I should go through this, means sincerely I should read this part. Our next point is 10 years. All of you would be knowing the 10 years which is there, that if you means solve 10 years, your 70 to 80% syllabus is covered. That was one of the important thing which which the video contains. So I am telling that yes, 70 to 80% are there from 10 years. This year the syllabus is changed, so I can't say, but yes, in all the years which I have seen, so I found that yes, this 10 years paper are very helpful for the students those are going to give your exams. So all the point you have seen. After this, in shortly, as you have very less amount of time, because your board exams are very near, so our last point is revision. If you do all the things but you don't do revision, then you will be in great trouble, as you know that you have experienced, you have been experiencing this, that you, if you see the question, you know that yes, I know this, but you are not able to solve it, or you are not able to get your answer, and you are not able to write it perfectly. So that's the reason you should revise it, means what all things you learn from syllabus, go through the books and important points, important questions, types of questions, books, the helping books which you will take, and the what we say specimen paper, 10 years paper, you should see the questions, types of questions that are very important. So revision is one of the important thing, as at the last moment this only helps us to get our 90 plus. So that was one of the important thing which I had to tell you all, that before going to your exams you should follow this. If you follow this, then I am sure that you will get your 90 plus, and you should follow this. And timetable is means you have to make your timetable of your own. If you are not able to do that, then our next video will come on this timetable only. So be continue to watch our channel, and online studies you can follow. as many of the videos of computer are there on my channel, so you can go and watch it. So that was the video. Thanks for watching this. If you find this video helpful, and then do share it with your friends. So thank you, have a good day, and Jai Hind.